videos. And check this out, there's actually an EV Go charger right here in the clock tower, and I'm deciding to not use it because I found some supercharging over here. Oh snap. I found some supercharging actually up here for someone just pulled up right behind me as I was pulling out. I was actually very surprised by that. And here we go with the FSD, and it's going to be driving me completely in this drive here. So we're going to drive through the Clock Tower Shopping Center, which I was hoping it would do. Shout out to anyone who knows about the Clock Tower Shopping Center here in Herndon. There's another Tesla, and they got 2 Volta chargers that don't work over here. And we're actually gonna swing by this Sunset Hills Supercharger location. So this is the first time I'm ever going and seeing this Sunset Hills Supercharger location. And what do when I hear that I'm going to a new Supercharger location? The very first thing I do is I get my controller ready. So when in doubt, get your controller ready. Why? Because they got the laps that you can set. And if I don't have my controller with me, which I'm almost positive I do, then I can always use the steering wheel too. Alright, so FSD needs to make a right here in this situation. Let's see what it does. It's not good that I'm looking for my controller while FSD is driving. And has not been located. I did find my charger, however. My EV Go charger, which I was planning on using. This is a nifty piece right here, the CCS adapter. Highly, recommend this. This is from EV Go, and this comes in handy like every day because I see these CCS adapters being put up everywhere for the Ford and Chevy and GM owners. And I don't mind once in a while taking some of their available juice that's all over the place. So I really, I like the fact that they have that available. Yeah. So we're going to the Supercharger real quick, and FSD will be driving us there. Now, where my controller is the greatest question. Right here, we finally located it. Alright, so when I get to this location, I will be dropping a new world record at the, look at this brand new Tesla in front of me right here. I do just want to tell, damn, it's got the ludicrous badge on the back. I do, or what is it called? Not the performance badge, that's the ludicrous badge. That's what I'm gonna call it. Yeah, I just want to tell them about the light show, honestly. Alright, so we're just a few minutes out, 6 minutes to the Supercharger here. I want to thank everyone for watching this video so far, making it this far into the video. This should be an interesting one. No takeovers whatsoever, and I don't think I would have to take over unless I wanted to for some reason, if the car didn't drive to my liking. Now, I've been downloading this update for quite some time here. Let's see. So it says 2024.32.10 available. Connect. Alright, now it's telling me to stop reading and pay attention to the road, which is true. But it's saying that I need to connect to Wi-Fi pretty much. And I have, but look, you can see that little green bar right there. That's how much I've downloaded. And it's like a less than a third, like maybe like a quarter of it, and less than that even. Yeah, so we need to connect to Wi-Fi. I don't know why this one is taking forever to download. I was connected for 1 hour earlier while I was charging, and yeah, and now I'm charging again. So hopefully this time they have Starlink there. That would be pretty awesome. You know, I really want to buy one of these Starlink dishes for no reason. But that's exactly why I haven't bought it, because there's no reason. And if I'm not mistaken, this Black Friday, we're probably going to see those selling for like $250 for a satellite dish, which today marks the day that the hurricane is hitting down in Florida. So, you know, those satellite dishes are pretty good things to have. So here we are. We're 3 minutes out from a new Supercharger location. I'm actually pretty excited because I will be testing this leaderboard situation out here, and I have almost dropped my name on all the DMV locations. Not all of them. I'm still working on a lot. Actually, no, I haven't gotten all of them. I only go to a few. I don't go to all of them. I only go to the ones that I need to. But now that I've gotten the controller and the leaderboards are available, because of course this wasn't always there. This is something new. But it does encourage you to play games while you're charging, which is literally the smartest thing ever. I mean, yeah, I condone that like fully. Like I think that's awesome. Yeah, video games in the car are really cool, and I don't know. It makes me want to set up. I have a PlayStation 5. I don't even use it. Honestly, I'm thinking about selling it to my friend's son, who is 10, and shout out to him, young Alexander. And yeah, man, I might give you the PlayStation 5, or someone else, special 14-year-old I know might get it too. Who knows? We'll see. I do drop it in the comment below. Like, do you guys really play games like that? Are you all like big time gamers, or are we just we play for? I play for fun. You know, I barely find the time for it. Honestly, I like to stream stuff, but yeah. I think the Tesla Premium is like the best deal ever. Actually, I was trying to sign up for it today, but for some reason it wasn't working in my car, and I need to fix that as soon as I get to the Supercharger. Alright, so this is a real familiar location. Oh wow, someone's crossing the road right in front of me. Saw that? He was just running out of nowhere, and see how Tesla picked him up perfectly. This is a real familiar location. I'm just wondering where the heck they put the Supercharger, because wow, this is so cool. I love this area right here. This is the spot, but where is the Supercharger is the question. The Jawa controller makes a really weird sound while it's wirelessly charging. Anyways, it's indicating that it is charging, and it works magnificently. And the way it's designed like a Tesla Model 3 Highlander, right? It looks exactly like it. And this is a really nifty controller that they made right here, and I'm a big fan. And this is a Tesla that pulled up next to me here. Alright, so we're gonna make our way into the Supercharger location. This is nuts. There's so many cool restaurants back here. This is where Nando's is. Alright, we are very close to the charger apparently. There's a Supercharger back here. You got to be crapping me. That's so cool, because I've been here so many times. I just didn't know there was a Supercharger. There's a Chick-fil-A here. Yeah, I might go run in there now that I'm so smart for putting the Supercharger here. What? Are you kidding me? It must be in this garage or something. That's why. Oh no, it's up here. This is shout out to Tesla, man. They're always building, and they really have taken care of Nova, I have to say. There's not one day I haven't been able to find chargers. They're everywhere. Find free chargers too. They have free chargers in Sterling. Look at this beautiful, massive supercharger location that I've never seen. So this is the Sunset Hills. So we're gonna auto park real quick into the supercharger. So just like that, you saw how long that took? Not long at all. I'm gonna let the car park itself, of course, and we're gonna see how long it takes for me to quickly just charge. And yeah, I want to thank everyone for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe for more videos like this. And yeah, this was a really fun one to shoot. Let's see how long it's saying. It's saying 32%. The price here is 26 cents a kilowatt, which is the wow. Okay, so here we go with the video game. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.